Welcome to the Bal Govindam Learning app. Hello children. So today work is your of new English workbook handwriting. Okay. So today's work is in your workbook. So it is the revision of I, L, T and U. In phonic we will pronounce I as E, L as L, T as T, U as A. Ice cream, lamp, tree, umbrella. Okay, so let's start writing now. So first you have to put the dot in this pattern. Okay, so first you have to put the dot in the slant pattern. Okay, okay, so put the dot like this, as already you have done before in your work. In before video we have done all the revision of E, L, T and A. Okay, it means I, L, T and U. So you have already known that how to put the dot of the alphabets. Okay, so in this pattern you have to put the dot in your whole page. Okay, now take a look. Let's start writing. So first E, E. Okay, E, 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 E. I says E. Ice cream. Okay, ice cream. Upside down and little turn. Okay, upper, downward and little curve. It's complete your I. Okay, so you have to complete like this. Okay, just look, we have complete this line writing I says E. Okay, come to the second letter L. Okay, this is the alphabet of L. Take upward, turn the line, then downward to the blue line and little curve. It's complete L. Okay, just look, put the pencil on your blue line, take upward, turn and curve. It's complete your L. Okay, L. L says L. L. So put the dot like this in one blue line, then other in red line. Okay, सभी अल्फ़ाबेट का पॉइंट्स अलग अलग होता है. इट्स अ डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी अल्फ़ाबेट. सो पुट द डॉट L. ओके, नीचे then little curve. It's complete L. L says L. Okay, L. 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 So look, we have completed the second line also, E and L. Okay, come to the third letter. It's the letter is T. T says T. सो टी का अलग पॉइंट है. फर्स्ट पुट द पॉइंट इन second blue line and other just little upward of the blue line. Don't touch the red line. Okay, T doesn't touch the red line. Okay, you don't have to touch the red line. Okay, only on the little upward of the blue line. Okay, and take the point in the slant way. Okay, like this. Okay, first take the point, do the point. So see, we have completed the point. Now let's start writing T. So first you have to put the pencil on the blue line as before you have done the practice of T. So it's a revision work. Take upward to the second point, then downward, then little turn like L, then upward and at sleeping line. It's complete T. Okay, just look, upward, downward, little curve, and then upward, and it's a sleeping line. Okay, it's complete your T. Upward, downward, and it's upward and T. It's complete your T. T says T. So you have to complete this page writing, doing practice of this. T says T. Tree. T says T. Toy. T says T. Tap. Okay, so look, we have completed this line also. Okay, so let's come to the next and last letter U. Okay, so we have completed E, L and T. Okay, E, L and T. So this is U. Umbrella. Okay, first take point, put the pencil on the blue line of second blue line, take upward, down and curve outside. Okay, okay, like this. So put the dot first, you know the dot, U slant in only in between of two blue line in a slant pattern like this. Okay, so take upward, put the pencil down and U. Okay, U. U says a. 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 So look, we have completed this line also. So children, you have to complete this page. Okay, again you have to complete this revision page as we have done in this pattern. Okay, at the same way you have to complete this page also. Okay, so today's work is the revision of E, L, T and A, page number 11 and the page number 12. Okay, so please do your work by the help of your parents. Thank you.